Hey everybody, welcome back to the Tech Space, and in this tutorial 17 of JavaScript, we're going to be going over something called a switch. So what a switch is it's sort of like an if statement. So instead of using multiple if statements, we can use something called a switch, and it's declared just like you would think, switch, and actually wrote that all in, but we don't want to just put that in. We want to go step by step. So switch, and it's going to take a parameter, and the parameter is just going to be one thing. So say we have an integer x, or let's say we have an integer lights on, and it's equal to true. We're going to have a switch for light on, and actually we're going to set this equal to nothing. So we have some variable that's equal to, or that's called light on, and then we have a switch that tests that light on, and then inside the switch we're going to create cases that have different values for them. So in case basically is what this says. In case and we'll say light on is equal to 1, which is in this case equal to true. So light on 1 is true and 0 is false. So in case of 1, we're going to say document writes, and we're just going to say the light bulb is on, or the light is on in that line. And then after that case, we want to write a break. Now to add another case, we have to do the same thing. Case of 2, but in case or in this problem, there's no 2, there's just false and true, so 0 and 1. So in case of 0, in case of false, document write the light is off. And then again, write a break. Now, the last thing that we want to do is create a default statement that will run in case something isn't true. So say the light on variable is equal to 2 and there's no case for it, it'll default run this. And we're just going to say you entered the wrong number. You entered the wrong number. And then even up here, we see light bulb 1 is equal to 1. So we're going to get the light is on when we save this and run it. So when we save it and run it in the browser, we're not getting anything. Wonder why that is. So we get switch in case light. Okay, so I have it capitalized. And again, I told you this is case sensitive. Light on. Switch, and the light is on. Okay, so now let's change this to 0 and we should get the light is off. The light is off, and now let's change it to 699. Save it, and we should get you entered the wrong number. You entered the wrong number. So that's how you use a switch to test some variable and cases to test that variable. And don't forget to use the breaks after each thing. So you even have to use break after default in JavaScript. So don't forget to add the breaks, and that's how you create a switch. So see you in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, post them in the comment section below, and I will see you next time.